Hello, 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 fart butts. It is me, Bev B Diamond Paints. I'm back to you from my messy floor. Today we're going to be unboxing a big ass package that I received from FGNormal. And if you're new here, I would appreciate it if you join my hive. We have so much fun on my channel. All you have to do is click subscribe and you'll get up to date on my new videos that I upload on a weekly basis. So let's dig into this. I did open it a little bit just to make sure that it was what I ordered, or just to make sure it was what I thought it was. So just rip it open a bit more. I thought I opened it. I'm hoping this is FGNormal. Maybe I didn't open this. Aha! It is. Okay. I'm going to open this one first. What is this? Did I order this? Oh, I know what this one is. Okay. So let's take a look. This might be a longer video just because there is a lot to unbox. So this one I saw, I forget who unboxed it on their channel, but I was like, I need this one. Okay, it's mine. Thank you. So it is poured glue. Let's take a look. You got two basic toolkits. If you need me to describe these, I'm not going to because I don't feel like taking them out. Here are our drills. So it's a round diamond painting. Looks like there's lots of dark colors with some pinks and some yellows. Here is a long butthole canvas. Wow, this canvas is huge. Okay, it's not going to all fit in the frame, so I will show it to you section by section or something. So at the top left-hand corner, you have the schematic. At the bottom right here, you have the schematic again. You can take a look at it. Looks like there are 29 colors. Take a look at the drill field. The drill field looks clear to me. Here might be an issue, but I will use a light pad. But there's M's and the letter is dark and it's on a dark background, so that might be a little bit difficult to read. The canvas is sticky and it is poured glue. Take a look. So here's the canvas. There is an eagle on it. The sun there. Mountains. Is that the Great Wall of China? Maybe. Then some cherry blossoms. So that's pretty. This one measures. Does it say how much it measures? This one measures 45 by 85. So it is a long one. Here are the drills. I'm not going to get into the drills. I don't want to make this video super long. I'm just going to pack this one back up. Canvas looks pretty good. It's like that rough, not like super soft or anything like that, but it's just like the typical canvas you would expect. Okay, I'm not going to try and get this back in the bag right now. What else do we have in here? Okay, here's another one. Doesn't say what it is, so let's take a look. I'm going to cut my finger off, and you guys will laugh at me. So again, another basic toolkit. Oh, this is a bee. I like this one. Okay, so I ordered this one. Obviously, Bev B Diamond Paints bee. Here's a bee. So here's a bee. Wow, look at those. What is that? 38.65. Look at that. It's going to be a lot of multi-placing, but I think it will be really pretty when it's done. So it measures 30 by 40. Here's the color list. 17 colors. The canvas looks good. Nothing too confusing. Nothing blurry. Is it sticky? It's sticky, and it is poured glue. So that's really nice. I like this one. This bee is really pretty. Here are the drills. So not a lot of drills. Obviously, it is a smaller one. And surprisingly, this is the closest color there is to yellow. You'd think there'd be more yellow because, hi, it's a bee. But I guess not. That's kind of neat. I really like this one. It's cute. What else do we have? Oh, we have my notebook. Okay, this is not what I expected. This is the first notebook I've ever ordered. I always see them online, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to order a notebook because I like notebooks. So we have basic toolkit. And then we have some special drills. They look like crystals. They're really pretty. We'll look at those after. And then here is the notebook. Get out of there. How did you even get this in there? Okay. So here's the notebook. Really nice. The paper inside is like an off-white cream color. Not super thick. There's not a lot of pages inside, but I thought this would be pretty anyway. It is kind of soft and bendy. There's the drill field. And then we have the drills, which I will open and show you because they're special drills, or crystals, whatever you want to call them. Ooh. Okay. These are so pretty. Look how pearly they are. These ones, these are cute too. Yeah, so it'll just be like a fun little project to do. Maybe that's one I will do a time lapse of, or I'll do it during a whip and chat or something if I have something that takes very long to say. Yeah, I'm excited for this one. So it doesn't feel like the best quality. It's like that fake leather, and it is kind of bendy, but I mean, what can you expect? What else do we have? Another diamond painting. Ooh. Ooh, I know what this is. This is a bee partial diamond painting. Just a plain little bee. I thought this was cute. That'll be really pretty. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'll probably just do it and throw it in my portfolio. But it's really cute. It measures 30 by 30. And it is 10 colors. Here are the drills. You can open these ones because there's not a whole lot of them, and they're special drills. So shiny. I love these crystal drills, whatever they're called. Look how shiny they are. Bum, bum, bum. Whoa, these are huge. Ooh, that's pretty. Looks like little stars almost. Okay. Then we have, oh, we have another diamond painting. What did I order? Take a look at this one. Oh yeah, I ordered this one. Okay, I was like, what? Did I order this one? Yeah, it's so cute. A butterfly. A little bit, needs a little bit of ironing, or like to sit under a mattress or something. This one's pretty. I don't know if you guys can there, you can see it better. It measures 30 by 40 and is 16 colors. So we can look at it up close. Ooh. So snazzy. I really like doing partials, just like taking a break from like the bigger canvases that I do. There's a schematic again. There's the item number if you want to order this one. Yeah, this one's really cute. I like it. It just needs a little bit of ironing or something. Came with the basic toolkit. And here are the drills. Let's take a look at these. I see some interesting ones. Ooh, okay. We have some that fell out in bags. There's those. Some stars. Those are so pretty. More teardroppy ones. Just some blue ones. Looks like teardrops or ovals. And then these ones. These are really pretty. Some normal drills. Just some rounds. Cool. Yeah, this kit is really pretty. enjoy it. FGNormal is an affordable website. I would say that this was probably around, I want to say like $50, $60 to order all of these. I'm not done yet either. And we have this fun little cat. I saw someone post this in a Facebook group and I was like, okay, I need this cat. Where did you get this cat from? And then I was able to find this version of the cat on FGNormal. So I was like, I'm going to order it from there. I love like, oh, what's going on here? Feels like it was like stuck. I don't know. Okay, so it measures 40 by 50. Here are the drills. I'm not going to open these drills. Do you want me to open these drills? I already feel like this video is long enough. I'm not going to open the drills. But you can see there's like some cool ones. And then basic kit. Here is this ugly cat. And I say it's ugly, but it's actually really cute. It's like ugly in a cute way, like a fuggler. It's a special partial diamond painting. Okay, yeah, I do want to see it. Let's open the drills. We'll be really quick about it. Woo! Okay, so we have just your typical round crystals. Pretty, so pretty. What are these? These are so cool. Look at them. Those are so pretty. I enjoy these ones. These are pretty too, like little roses. Oh my god. More little roses. Those were so cute. I like those roses. I'll go back and look at them. Look how pretty these are. Oh my god, I want them. Well, they're mine, so I have them, but still, they're so cute. Okay, that's good. I'm glad that we opened the drills. I guess I don't have to be lazy all of the time. Lastly, we're going to open this diamond painting. This diamond painting was enabled by Mindy's Diamond Moments. She had a framed diamond painting on her channel on like an unboxing, and I was like, where did you get that? I need that. And she said FGNormal. So I made sure that when I ordered my snacks, I specifically ordered from FGNormal for a reason. So this is a diamond painting, obviously, and it comes framed. And you don't have to do anything with it. You just diamond paint it and it's framed, ready to be presented to the world in your house. So here's the thumbnail of the one that I chose. She had like, I think they were like sunflowers or some sort of like yellow flowers, and I was like, I'm gonna get this one. Let's take a look to see what's inside. Okay, is that it? That's it. So it comes in this nice little box. Oh, on the back of the box we have what's inside the box, how to diamond paint, etc., etc. Just move the camera around. What is this for? What is this? It comes with this plastic thing. I don't know what it's for. Looks like an extra bra strap maybe. Here is the basic kit it came with. And here's some round drills. Looks like it's 18 colors, maybe more colors. 21 colors. On the back of the painting we have the schematic. So that's kind of neat. You'll have to like flip it over. Ooh! This is so pretty. Which way does it go? This way? Does it go this way or the other way? I think it goes this way. Wow! Look how vibrant this canvas is. Take a look at the drill field. That's really fun. Okay, so what is this for though? I don't understand. Does it say? I don't know what that plastic tab is for. Is it something? Is it so you can hang this somehow? I don't know. Well, I don't know. Someone tell me what this is for, please. And then here we have the drills. I'm not going to go through them. You can see there's lots of pinks, purples, blues, some 310s. Cool. I'm really excited about this one. And I really like that it came in a box. This would be like a perfect gift for someone, I think, in my opinion. A very nice gift. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me. This was my FGNormal haul. Again, it's an affordable, budget-friendly company. They do have unlicensed images on their website, so be very careful when you're buying from them because you don't want to support stolen art. What you can do is right-click on the image with your mouse, save it to your desktop, or copy the image location by right-clicking on your mouse and going copy image location, and then go to tineye.com and then either uploading the image there or pasting the link to the image there, and then it will shoot out some information, and that way you can tell if it's stolen or not, or copyrighted. So just be careful when you shop on these budget sites because a lot of the stuff is stolen art. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. What did you think of this haul? Have you ordered from FGNormal before? And that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my hive. I upload videos on a weekly basis. Okay, bye!